In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a drop cap in Microsoft Word. That's where the first letter of your paragraph drops down and becomes large, like you see in books and magazines, typically at the start of a chapter. So here I've got a paragraph of text and I want to add a drop cap to the first letter. I want this V to be big as you saw it before. So I typically highlight the paragraph. You can highlight the letter. It's not a problem. Click insert. Then you've got to select drop cap and you're going to go dropped. And there you can see it. The V has become large and it's covering 1, 2, 3 lines. Now, if you want to customize it, change the font, the size, how many lines it drops, then we select the V. Then you're going to go back to drop cap and click on drop cap options. Keep it as dropped for the time being. Now the font, I typically made it heading, or you can actually select the particular font that you want. Heading just kind of indicates that it's going to use the font that's tied to the heading style and how many lines you want it to drop. Maybe one more line. Distance from text, maybe you just want to add a bit of a buffer between the paragraph and the V. Click OK, and there you have it. To remove a drop cap, click inside the paragraph or highlight it, go back to drop cap and just click none, and it will disappear from your paragraph. If this video has helped you, then please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about customizing drop caps and applying them in your Word documents, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.